The recent economic crisis has affected people's finances, health, emotional state, and relationships. They haven't received a bailout or the financial education needed to secure their future. Now, a new day is upon us. Concerned citizens and people around the globe are standing together with the National Financial Educators Council, empowering themselves and members of their community with practical financial skills so they can enjoy those treasured memories, spend time with friends and loved ones, and relish special moments that bring us closer. Together, we can educate the citizens of the world so they can live their own personal American dream.